All right, so this is the abarth pedal. This tab is broke. We have a donor set. So all we have to do is pull those pins out. And if you have a punch with a small end, flat tip, and a bigger end, like I said earlier, you can punch both sides out pretty quick. And then wiggle this out, wiggle that out, and then the one that's not broken just goes right into place. I'm doing this one-handed, so don't judge. Okay. Let's see if we can get this into place like that. All right. Oh. Let's see. Okay. Oh, wrong side. All right. This goes through there. Yep. And then we'll tap it down. Oh, don't need two hands for that. Okay. Tap that into place. Make sure it all snaps. Yep. And then once that's in, then you turn it back over. You put the tap back in. Give it some taps. Oh. Okay. And then you do the same thing for that. And then you throw it back in that mess. Yeah, this whole switch down here is broke too. The tab goes in there, and when you press the clutch, it goes up to let the car know you got the clutch pushed in. So I'm gonna swap this out. So this bottom one is the one that's broke. The top one is the good one. This probably had to do with the pin breaking as well, like someone slamming on the clutch or something. I don't know. But either way, we're getting it fixed. All right, don't worry about the wire mess. I gotta fix that. But BCM out, clutch out, everything goes up there. You can get to those really easy and take them apart with just the right tools. But yeah, this is a mess. All right, so when you're up in the dash here, either replacing the clutch because you got a broken tab on the clutch, or you're replacing the clutch switch, you've got to make sure that you have this tab in, and then that tab, and then this little piece is what locks it into place. You basically have to get it up in there and find the mechanism that, oh, or drop it. Okay, so this is the really hard part, is getting this little tab. All right, let's see if I can see where I'm at. Getting this little tab all up in here where it goes, getting that in. I might have to go around the drive shaft to get up in there. Nope, can't do that, not enough room. All right, so let me see if I can squeeze my hand in here, find the right location, because you gotta maneuver that in there without dropping it 100 times. All right, got that in there. See if we can get this little tab in there. I've dropped it so many times already because there's very little room for your hands back here. All right, so looking at this, there's these two little alignment tabs, and then looking at where this one was broke, that's the back side. There's going to be a couple alignment tabs in there, so we're going to have to rotate it until we find that. So let me see if I can get this in. I'm not going to be able to get it on camera. It's just way too difficult, but I'll start videoing again whenever I get it in. You just gotta move your hands around until you get it in the right slot and locked in. Okay, so here's what I mean. See how on that tab, and then this has a tab, they all have to line up for you to push it through. Okay, well, we finally got it in. Learned that this actually pops and sticks into place until you hook up the clutch, and that you pre-assemble it just a little bit, and then when you get it in there, you rotate it and it snaps into place. We just got that pedal disassembled, put the donor tab on there, and then we're starting to put it back together now. So we gotta line our little tabs up and all that goodness. Our tabs aligned here. Somewhere, and then I'm gonna have to tap this in. I can't record and tap this the rest of the way in. Okay, so what we had to do is when we put this back in there, we have to put it horizontal like this so that the tabs line up, put it in, and then rotate it clockwise until these tabs hit, and then you're good. I'll show you. All right, so once you get it in there and locked into place, then that's good. And then when you look on this side, that side's locked in too. Next thing we have to do is we're gonna have to push the clutch down manually and put the clutch sensor on. So let me throw things around here for a minute and see if we can't get that done. All right, gotta push that clutch down and pull that purple out. Boom, done. Now the purple piece, when we push the clutch, it moves back and lets the relay in the computer or in the fuse box know that we're pushing the clutch in, just like that. That's all you got to do. So then we'll put the BCM back in and call it a day.